जय श्री राधे। एक्सरसाइज 13 पैरा 1 डिक्टेशन 80 वर्ड्स a minute ready। मिस्टर डिप्टी स्पीकर सर, the recommendation on certain observations of the board with regard to the policy on children of our country is, really speaking, a very good outcome and a very good exercise. Full stop. I have patiently heard the views on the policy as they were expressed by our Honorable Deputy Minister on the last day of the previous session. Full stop. I also congratulated him for his attitude towards the children. Full stop. But I would like to point out a few things on this national policy on children which is followed in other countries as well as in India. Full stop. In India, perhaps it is a known fact, both from the point of view of religion and that of ancient thinking, that the child is treated as God. Full stop. Usually it is a common phenomenon both in the villages and the cities. Full stop. This symbolizes our devotion the children. Full stop. It also indicates our expectations and our dreams about children. Full stop. Para. I could really appreciate that when we were under the British rule, we could not evolve a suitable policy in relation to children with a view to improving their conditions. Full stop. But we are now a free country. Full stop. After taking oath as the Prime Minister of Free India.